Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel, Drunken Engineer, where we have started sharing the trading videos now. So today is 9th of April 2025, and we'll share what trade we have taken and based on what setup we have entered into the trade, what was our target, what was our stop loss. So today I have taken trade in CAMS. So if you look at the chart and if you look at the 915 candle, so 915 candle made a low of 3552 or 53. So, and that was taken out by 930 candle. So once the 930 candle taken out, and there was a followed by one more red candle. So my entry was confirmed in this. I was just waiting for a small pullback, and that has happened at 940. And in the 945 candle, I have taken the trade. And my initial target was this 53507, and my stop loss was 565. And at around 10-15 I was getting a profit around 17 to 18%, but the market all of a sudden started moving in the opposite direction and almost it got hit. My stop loss got hit, but luckily with 1.5 rupee that didn't got touched, and I couldn't, like, I didn't book the loss. Again, from right at that 1020 candle, 1025 candle, it started moving in my direction, like in the direction which I wanted. So at around 10 11 10, so my target was achieved at 11.5, and at 11.10 or 11.11 I booked the profit. But and you can see here, and I got very little much of profit, like only 1,000, which was around 7 to 8% of the invested capital. But if you see in the meantime, like at around 10:10 itself, I was getting good amount of profit. That profit decayed due to premium decay today, or else we could have got easily 17 to 18% of return on the invested amount. So in a way, I was lucky because as soon as I booked the profit, the market completely reversed. Currently, it's around 1 o'clock, and if you see, the market has touched my stop loss. It went above that, and if I would have stayed in the trade, I would have got good amount of, like, I would have lost good amount of money here. So in a way, I was lucky. In a way, I was not lucky also. But किस्मत का खेल बोलते हैं ना कि यू कैन नॉट फाइट विद द किस्मत, वही है यहाँ पे। जो भी दिया हम लोगों ने लेके निकल गए हम लोग। तो आज के मतलब टुडे वी गॉट 5 to 7% of invested amount, that is 1,000 rupees, and it was in CAMS. I entered at around 150 and exited at 159, like 9 points of profit we booked. That is also a good amount, like 5% is also a good amount. And that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. We'll be coming up with the next video tomorrow. Have a great day.